Welcome to Grillin and Chillin with Mikey V. Come on, I'll take you around. Today, we're not making veggie burgers. We're not making turkey burgers. We're making cheeseburgers, hamburgers. Now, I don't know why they're calling them hamburgers if there's no ham in them. You gotta use chopped meat. They're really beef burgers. We're gonna do blue cheese, cheeseburgers. Right here. Now, when you're doing a cheeseburger, hamburger, some things you gotta use. This is a thermometer. 160 in the middle. That meat's not done. It's not safe to eat until it's 160. Now, to help the middle get cooked a little quicker, a little better, is what you do is you press down, like I did over here, with my fingers, right into the middle of those hamburgers, and that keeps the burgers, or helps those burgers cook in the center a little better. Okay? All right down in there, right? Right down there. You push that down in there. It also makes a little hole to put the blue cheese in a little bit later. Okay, here we go. Burgers are hitting the grill. Got a little piece of holly in there. Sounds good. A little one. Everybody has a little burger. Goes over there on the side. Big one's more towards the middle. Okay. Now Wimpy, whatever his name from Popeye, would just love burgers like these. Remember Popeye? Okay, I got these burgers all on the grill. Just to make sure we get that barbecue flavor, we got some hickory chips right here. Now the art here is to put the hickory chips out along the outside of the rim. We don't want any flare-ups with the beef. We can get a nice smoke sensation, hickory taste, without having to flame up, because sometimes these things, unless you wet them, okay, could ignite. Now we're going to get those right on there. In a couple of minutes, they're going to start smoking. Okay, we got the coals on, we got the wood chips on. Now we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to check it every couple of minutes, just in case there's going to be a flare up here. There shouldn't be, okay, but we're going to check it every 5 minutes, whatever, and let that hickory get into those cheeseburger and chips. That's what we're having today. No eggs, cheeseburger and chips. Well, I guess it's time just to check those burgers, see if they need a flip. Ooh, they're looking good. A little bit too early to flip them. Smoky! Smoke gets in your eyes. But they're looking fine. A couple of minutes, I'm going to come back and do a flip. Trying to check those burgers again. Well, it's been about a dozen minutes or so. Buzzman, we're cooking here today. Come over here. Check this out. A little blue cheese. Blue cheese. Blue cheeseburgers, cheeseburgers. Buzzy loves them. Let me just check this. Well, looks like we're ready to flip them. Oh, nice. Nice. Nice.
These cars getting stolen.
That was a quick car. But we're flipping them, and they're looking good. We are flipping them, and they're looking just fine. Now, we're going to do a quick check over here with our meat thermometer, just to see how they're coming along at the flip. We're looking for 160 here. We're approaching 150. Okay, with that burger. Let's do another burger test. They should be about the same. Okay. Well, I think we're going to be done now. Would you look at that? Cheeseburger, 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 cheeseburger. Cheeseburger and chips. That's what we have here. Okay. See if I get one of these right on the roll. My goodness. Look at that. Blue cheeseburger. Not a veggie burger. Not a turkey burger. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger, cheeseburger, cheeseburger. Buster! Come over here. Let me tell you what you think of this. Come over here. Another success! Buster loves it! Cheeseburger, 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 cheeseburger! 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 Well, that's all for Grillin' and Chillin' with Mikey V. And that's all for today for Grillin' and Chillin' with Mikey V. Buster!